Good evening. Welcome to Let's Crack the Interviews channel. Let's talk about critical thinking. Thinking is the way that the mind makes sense of the world. Thinking tells us what is there, what's happening, what's important, what is our problem is all about, who we are, what we learn, what is true, and how things should be viewed, etc. Critical thinking is a set of intellectual skills and psychological habits that make it easier to solve a problem and discover truths and communicate clearly. Analytical and critical thinking are very, very important applicability skills that are extremely valued by the whole world. Therefore, it's very, very important for us to inculcate the critical thinking, which is a set of intellectual skills and psychological habits that make it easier to solve problems, discover truths, and communicate clearly. Good critical thinkers are rational, curious persons who seek the truth with open mind and empathetic, and they are fair, strong, and courageous people. Employers want someone who can communicate and think critically, work in teams, use technology, speak multiple languages, connect globally, and have a broader global awareness, isn't it? Being good critical thinkers prepares one for being a better citizen, a better student, a better future employee. 93% of employees agree that candidates 93% of employers agree that candidates who demonstrated capacity to think critically, communicate clearly, and solve complex problems are the most important than undergraduate degree per se. Therefore, critical thinking is an important trait. Critical thinking is very critical for problem solving. It's more than gathering facts and figures and a search for best answers, not just the answers. It's a systematic way of thinking and discovering. It's a self-directed process by which take deliberate steps to think at the highest level of quality is what actually a broad definition of critical thinking is all about. Friends, critical thinkers ask a very, very questions. What am I taking for granted? Did I explore all points of view? Do I understand the question? What information do I need? What are the implications and impact and implications on the market decision, so on. The four critical thinking skills are reading, listening, speaking, and writing. To improve critical thinking, reading and critical thinkers need to highlight the main ideas as you read. If most of the text is highlighted, you are not reading critically. So you need to highlight the key, what is called bullet points or key ideas and salient features. Join a study group and see if your main idea is the same as fellow group members is. Try to state the main idea in your own words. Try to state the main idea that are called paraphrasing in your own words. To improve critical listening, friends, listening is both an art and science, and the very object of listening is understanding, not just responding. Restate the points made in discussion with another person to see if you have understood him or her clearly. That's what critical thinkers do. And focus on what the speaker is saying and listen for key points. And while listening, make notes of anything you find confusing and to seek the clarification of. To improve critical writing, you need to summarize in your own words what have you learned and you are going to write about in terms of your writing. Put your writing away for a day and then reread it and then make a draft of it. Ask yourself if you understood the most important points clearly, and ask a friend or a teacher or your family member for their inputs to improve writing. To improve critical speaking, you need to maintain clear and accurate logic, isn't it? While speaking, you need to be logical and systematic and accurate. Avoid ambiguous statement. You need to be brisk and to the point, and we should avoid confusing and ambiguous statement. Listen to yourself for any personal biases. If there are any personal biases of your own, you need to be unbiased and extremely what is called balanced. And if there is any unbiased, you need to do away with that. Practice in front of a small group and ask for feedback. How your critical speaking is all about. And then speak with passion and consistency. These are the steps do we follow to become a good critical speaker in the speaking? Reasoning, critical thinking as a process encourages reasoning, and reasoning is the process of solving problems by using critical thinking skills. An attempt to figure something out, solve a problem, or settle a question is all reasoning of all of. Then reasoning. What are the various traits of reasoning? Reasoning has a purpose. Reasoning is based on certain assumptions. Reasoning has a point of view. Reasoning is based on data, metrics, facts, information, and certain statistics. Is expressed through concepts and contains inferences, rational conclusions with all examples based on the data, has implications and consequences. It's all actually reasoning, critical salient features and for reason. A disciplined critical thinker is the one who reasons through problems using critical thinking skills in listening, writing, reading, and speaking, and in order to draw inferences and what are the 5 traits of a disciplined critical thinker? A disciplined critical thinker uses reason and practices humility and extremely humble, down to earth, well grounded, highly balanced. And another critical trait or characteristic of a critical thinker is courage. You're courageous, confident, and bold. And critical thinkers practice integrity and work on their personal values and ethical systems. Critical thinkers practice and nurture perseverance, a clear follow-up, persevere till they achieve success. These are the various 5 critical traits, 5 important traits of a disciplined critical